Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to calculate work hours in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. As you can see, we have a data over here that contains the work time of an employee from Monday to Friday. It's pretty straightforward on how we can calculate the work hours of a certain individual. Since Microsoft Excel treats these numbers as the 24-hour time system, we should be able to use normal functions with it. All we have to do is press equals on the cell beside those numbers and press the last number, which is the end shift, and minus and subtract the start shift, which is 9 a.m. Once we do so, 8 a.m. would show up. We should try and change the formatting of the calculated work hours into actual hours and minutes. All we have to do is right-click on the cells, Format Cells. Once we open the Format Cells window, we should go to Custom and select the hours, minutes, seconds format. Though, we can edit this type by deleting the seconds in our format, since for now, we are focusing on the hours and the minutes. Once we delete the seconds, all we have to do is press OK, and it should show up something like this. We could just drag the cell towards the bottom of the table, and these would show up. And that is how you calculate work hours in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.